Hello, in this video we're going to learn percentage. Okay, so let's look at the first example. In 2008, Hansik earned $7,800. He earned 15% more in 2009. Calculate how much he earned in 2009. Okay, so very simple. This 7,800 is the original value. Okay, so original value always stands for 100%. He earned 15% more, means the value gained by 15%. Okay, so the total in the end you should have 115%. So to find this value, you just use the original value, which is 7,800 times 115 over 100. Okay, we convert the percentage into fraction. Then you just solve this using your calculator. You should get the answer as 8970. Very simple. Okay, next one. In 2010, he earns 10% more than 2009. Calculate the percentage increase in his earnings from 2008 to 2010. Okay, so how we find the value for 2010? Same thing like the previous example, 10% more than 2009. Okay, means the value in 2009 is 100%. 10% more means 100% plus 10%, we get 110%. Okay, so the value in 2009 should be 8970. Multiply with the new percentage, 110 out of 100. So the value should be $9867. Okay, so you see this percentage increase. So every time you see the word percentage increase, percentage change, or like percentage decrease, okay, the formula should be new value minus old value divided by old value times 100%. So in this question, the new value is the value in 2010, which is 9867, minus the old value. Old value is 2008, which is the 7800. So over 7800 times 100%. Okay, so just solve this with your calculator, and you should get the answer as 26.5%, which means the values from 2008 until 2010 has increased by 26.5%. Okay. So C. Megan earned 9720 in 2009. This was 20% more than she earned in 2008. How much did she earn in 2008? So now they give us the value for 2009, but we don't know the value for 2008. Okay, so how we do the percentage is always like this. We use the original value, multiply the percentage, then we get a final value, is it? So we just use the same formula. We put in whatever we have. So the value for 2008, the original value is unknown. So let's say I just put X. Multiply 20% more, means 2008 is 100%. I gain 20% more. So the total should be 120%. Okay, so put this into your percentage equals to the new value 9720. So how are we going to find this X? It's very simple. Just put this to the other side. Then your equation should become 9720 divide 120 over 100. Okay, so once you got this, you can simply solve it using your calculator. So your answer should be $8,100. Okay, easy peasy. Next, we come to the interest part. So interest, we have two different interests. One is called the simple interest, the other one is called compound interest. So the first example, Samantha invests $600 at a rate of 2% per year, simple interest. Calculate the interest Samantha earns in 8 years. So this question is about simple interest. The simple interest formula is I. The I here stands for the interest amount, okay, equals to P. P stands for principal, which means the starting money the person have, okay, and then times R. R is the rate, times T, which is the time, over 100. So if you want to find the interest that Samantha earns, we should have put the 600 into our P, the starting money, multiply the rate 2%, so just times 2, and then times time. The time here is 8 years. That's why we multiply 8, then over 100. So 600 times 2 times 8 divided by 100, we should get 96. So the 96 is the amount that Samantha earns. Okay, but if the question asks you to find the total money Samantha have, then it should be 600, okay, the original value plus the 96, the interest she earned. Then your answer should be 696. Okay. So let's come to the last example. Moshin's earnings increased exponentially at a rate of 8.7% each year. During 2018, he earned 195,600. During 2027, how much more does he earn than during 2018? So every time when you see this word exponentially, we know we need to solve the question using compound interest. So the formula for compound interest is A. The A stands for the total amount in the end. Okay, so the total amount includes the original value and the interest the person earned. Okay, it's a little bit different with the simple interest formula. Equals to P bracket 1. So this question state increase. So we put a plus here. If the value is decreased exponentially, then you put a minus. Okay, so 1 plus R, the rate, over 100, power T. T is the time. Okay, so put in all the values we have. We should have an equation like this. So 2018 until 2027, the years is total 9 years. Okay, so solve this using your calculator. The final answer should be 414.31. Okay, but we haven't finished because the question asks us how much more. Means we need to find a difference between these 2 years, 2018 and 2027. Okay, so to get a final answer, we still have to do one more thing. Okay, which is just minus. Very simple. So your final answer should be 218,814.31. So that's it. It's easy.